Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorials. In this episode we'll see how to create your courses in the price list. We need to go to Financial and Price List and click on Default Price List. We click on button Add New Item and we choose the type Course. You need to type a name for your course, for example, Open Water, and you can give an abbreviation if you want to. You can write a description, for example, what's included in the course. You can type a price here. For example, I type 300 euros. Usually a course includes diving, so we tick this checkbox. The sections field is very useful in case this course can be taught by more than one instructor. Here, if you define the number of sections in this course, you can assign how many sections each instructor actually taught. If you type 100, you consider the sections as a percentage. So if 2 or more instructors will teach this course, you can define which percentage was taught by each instructor. Their commission will be based on the percentage or on the number of sections that they actually taught. If you wish to add additional price list items, you can do it here. For example, this course will have a pick. So the total price for the course will be 400 euros. Remember that if you pay your instructors a commission for the course, their commission, if it's in percentage, will be calculated on the price that you wrote here. Don't forget to save, and you will be redirected to your price list. Thank you for watching.